Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to get verified on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Well, since it totally depends upon Snapchat to whether give you the golden star or not, Snapchat first need to find you eligible for it. And on the other hand, your stories must have specific number of views and the content you upload must be attractive. Well, I believe you need to have at least 5,000 or more followers. Now, if you think you have met the criteria for it, then you can go on with this process. First up, go ahead and open up your phone and go to Snapchat. And make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on your profile symbol. This will take you to the Settings tab. And then in the upper right corner of the screen, select Settings. It appears to be a gear icon. And now scroll down and select I Need Help down to Support. Now select Contact Us from the drop-down menu. And select the I have lost my streaks option. Now from here scroll down and keep in mind that, like I said before, the account must have some views, otherwise you will not be verified even if you have complained about other people lifting your account. Now fill up your account information, include your username, email, mobile phone, and a description of when the problem began. It would be better if you also add some extra details to it. And once you're done, select the submit button. Now it could take a few days for Snapchat to respond to you. When they do, they send you an email informing that your account has been validated or what can you do to make your account eligible for validation. If your account is not eligible for validation, then you can try being more active on Snapchat. You can try posting frequently on Snapchat to grow your audience. Yeah, so this way you can get verified on Snapchat. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.